Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Blink Outdoor 4. So it's super simple. First, you're going to have the back cover. So to remove the back cover, use the right angle adapter opening tool or screwdriver, and you want to screw it to the left. So this is the first thing. Now when you're going to do it, there are two ways what you can do. The first way is that you would take out both batteries out for, like, let's say 2 minutes, and you would put back there. This is something that I read. Another thing that you can try to do is that you just want to press and hold the reset button. Can be used when adding camera to system. So you're going to press and hold it. You're going to be right here between the battery slots, and you're going to press and hold it for, like, let's say 30 seconds when it's going to be turned on, and it's going to reset for you. So this is something that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to help you. I hope it does, and that's where you're going to locate the reset button. So have a great day and goodbye.